So I want to talk about grouping objects. So I've got a bunch of objects here, for example, to make this window or this lamp, and they're all separate. And I could go through and merge them all together into a single object. But then I'd lose, like for example, the ability to edit the spline or the lathe object, and that would be a pain in the butt, frankly. So the best thing I find is to group objects together using the group tool. So if you simply select the objects you want to group and click here, group, we can give it a name like Echo Lamp. Okay, that, and now we've got a group. So now I can click on all that and move it together as one piece. Something which is worth noting, which is that essentially the deco lamp is its own object. So you can see that it gets created in the current layer, which is a little bit of a pain in the butt. So I need to make sure that I drag that into the relevant layer if I want to keep things ordered. Oh, another top tip is if you have sub layers, you can unnest them, which is what I want to do with that one. Anyway, so now I have my group. I can, if I want to edit it, I can go up here, group, and I can open, and then I can select the objects individually and do stuff with them, and I can still edit them. And then when I've done with that, I can close it again like that. If I want to get rid of the group, then I can do so by doing ungroup. And if I want to, and I can also change the pivot point, for example, just by using the standard pivot point tool. So I can effect pivot only. Let's rewind this. Effect pivot only and move that down there. So there you have it, the group tool.